What up, everyone? It's your boy Dio, and this is Frankla Investment. Woo! Bionanians, how are you feeling today? Today is a beautiful day, guys. We are up 16% pre-market. What an amazing rally pre-market, guys. I hope today is going to end above 13 US dollars. How are you guys feeling? Please use the comment section to let me know how you are feeling right now. So let's talk about Bionano Genomics and why the price is pumping pre-market. So let's take a look at what happened about 1 hour ago, okay? So this Global News Wire, our favorite website that always drop breaking news from Bionano Genomics. Any Bionano Genomics related news, this website is always dropping it. If I don't drop it, they drop it. So let's take a look at their latest news, okay? So this is the breaking news that happened almost 1 hour ago, and that is why Bionano is mooning right now pre-market, okay? So according to the title, Saphyr study is first to analyze cancer regulation at level of single DNA molecules. Opens promising new avenue of cancer research, guys. This is what I have been talking about. Saphyr is going to open a lot of doors, okay? The only thing that Bionano Genomics engineers and doctors have to do is to keep unlocking the power of Saphyr. I believe Saphyr can do a lot of things, it can help a lot of researchers, clinics, to discover new avenue of, new research avenue. So that is what this title is all about. So let's take a look at the news, okay? I'm just gonna read it for you. And if you don't like my accent or the way I read, you can easily pause this video and, read it by yourself. So let's get to it. So, Bionano Genomics Inc. announced today the publication of a study that measured DNA methylation, okay, the chemical modification of the DNA that controls gene regulation of the various regions regulating cancer genes on single DNA molecules. The study led by Dr. Yuval at the Tel Aviv University found that optical genome mapping with Bionano Saphyr system combined with a custom labeling method developed by the scientist was capable of analyzing regulatory regions that work together to turn cancer genes on and off over distances of hundreds of thousands of base pairs. Wow. So the ability to measure this relationship on single DNA molecules is something that was previously impossible. Only Saphyr can detect these long-distance connections in methylation profiles because it is the only technology that can generate such long-range single molecule data at high throughput and coverage. I have said this 1 million times, guys. I have said it 1 million times. Saphyr can perform miracles that no other technology can perform, okay? Saphyr is better than all these dinosaur technologies out there or next generation sequencing technology or whatever it is they call it. So let's get to it. While most of the important information in our genome is encoded in the sequence and structural organization of the sequence, the regulation of genes is partially registered through chemical labels attached to the DNA. These chemical labels, called DNA methylation, can turn genes on and off at a specific time point and in certain tissue. A normal cell can only become cancerous and grow excessively by making multiple changes to the genome and the way it is regulated. These changes include single nucleotide variations, structural variations, and changes to DNA methylation patterns that can happen to the actual cancer gene, to the promoter region that switches the gene on and off, or to the enhancer regions that can hundreds of thousands of base pairs removed from the cancer gene. Studying these methylation patterns has been difficult or impossible because current methods only allow you to measure values averaged over dozens or hundreds of cells. To fully understand how cancer genes are turned on and off, it is important to measure the methylation status of a gene, its promoter, and its enhancer on individual single molecules, which is impossible with short read or long read sequencing based because their read lengths are insufficient. I have said this 1 million times, guys. Listen to that. Let me read that once again. Which is impossible with short read or long read sequencing based because their read lengths are insufficient. Okay, so the study that Dr. Ebenstein is the first to systematically analyze more than 100,000 promoter enhancer pairs up to 200,000 base pairs apart on millions of single molecules. This large data set enabled them to correctly distinguish between normal and tumor cells with an error rate smaller than 1%. Oh my God, and the news continues. So let's take a look at what our boss, the CEO of Bionano Genomics, thinks about this amazing development. I love reading from this guy. So this is what he's saying. While Bionano Genomics is laser focused on bringing comprehensive whole genome structural variation detection to the clinic, scientists around the world are pushing the boundaries of what our single molecule analysis system, Saphyr, can do. Dr. Ebenstein's team has developed a novel application of our technology that contributes to solving unique scientific questions. The epigenetic regulation of cancer genes through DNA methylation of its promoters and enhancer has been difficult or impossible to study with current methods that are limited by short read length. We are excited about the possibilities for discoveries of novel diagnostics and treatment of cancer that this application enables. Guys, have a wonderful day. I don't need to say more, okay? If you want to read this news, just go to Yahoo Finance, you can find it there, or go to bionanogenomics.com, you can find it there, okay? I remain your boy Dio. This is Frontla Investment. Bionanians, I'm out. Bye-bye.